You are not falling behind. You're just looking at a ghost. In 2026, the comparison trap has become a digital epidemic. We compare our behind-the-scenes footage with everyone else's highlight reel. The result? A constant quiet sense of failure. But in the lab, we use a 2,000-year-old firewall, Oikeiôsis. The Stoics taught Oikeiôsis, the process of making yourself at home with your own nature. Most of us live in the outer circles. We are more concerned with a stranger's vacation than our own character. Experiment 07 is about collapsing these circles. It's about returning to the only center you actually control. For the next 48 hours, you're under the social mirror protocol, the unfollow audit. If an account makes you feel less than rather than inspired by, it's a toxin. Remove it. The compliment, counterstrike. When you feel a spark of envy, you must immediately send that person a genuine compliment. It turns comparison into connection. The chief task, every time you feel behind, ask, is this competition even up to me? If the answer is no, the data is irrelevant. Marcus Aurelius said, how much time he gains, who does not look to see what his neighbor says or does. The only valid data point for your progress is who you were yesterday. Anyone else's success isn't your failure. It's just someone else's path. In the lab, we don't race strangers. We refine the self. Comparison is the thief of time. Take your time back. Log your day one results in the comments. Experiment 07 is live. Lab dismissed.